The last supplementary question will be asked by the Honourable Swart.
Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. Deputy Speaker, the ACDP shares the concerns about the perennial problem of overcrowding, which negatively impacts on rehabilitation and places the safety and security of inmates and officials at risk. There are some 55,000 remanded detainees. It seems, however, that far more Section 63A applications are now being brought by the department, which is commendable. It is, however, Honourable Minister, as you indicated, that the department relies on the judiciary to make the final decisions. In that light, Honourable Minister, to what do you attribute the relative low success rate of 16.5% and 21.6% of the court applications that were brought, given that the cases only pertain to certain categories of offenders who have been granted bail but cannot afford to pay it? This particularly in light of the fact that it costs more than 400 Rand per day to house such remand detainees. Thank you.
Time has expired. The Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. I agree with the Honourable Swart of what he has said. I can also inform him that the number of remand detainees increased. They're about between 58,000 and 59,000 now. But unfortunately, in the end, it is the decision of the presiding officer, the magistrate, or the judge, whatever the case may be. And we cannot interfere with that. Of course, the Honourable Member knows that. But I think what he wants to say is, yes, it's costing us at this moment 463 Rand a day per inmate. And it is very costly to the taxpayers of South Africa. And we do engage, as I've mentioned, with the judiciary. I also spoke to the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development. And from her side, she is also doing everything she can. And she does understand the problem. And we put our heads together to see what we can further do to ensure that we can use and utilize Section 63A in a more effective way.